Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Now we will review my prelim strategy which has worked in the year 2024. So I'm testing it for this year also. So let's review it. Last 100 days will be dedicated to prelims, but now there are 98 days left. And there is a reason that this video is delayed because 98 days equals to 14 weeks. And now my schedule is aligned weekly, so I'm performing a week wise preparation, and in this week wise preparation we will keep one day for backlogs, and backlogs will be equivalent with FLT that consists of 100 questions. So it's 26th May. I got it. It is now 24th May, as we know that the prelims happens on the last Sunday of May, and you'll require a C set in this, so buckle up for C set. We'll go reverse from 24th May. 10 days will be required for third revision. Third revision, that means prior to the 24th May prelims. And we have also for first attempters, I will suggest them to consider their prelims on 31st of March, because sometimes we don't get serious enough if we have a not a time foundation like Parkinson's law. So what is Parkinson's law? It says that time expands to fill the gap. This gap means your brain interprets things in the way that we have so much time left, but actually it is very much less. So what was my strategy in 2024? 10 days for third revision, 30 days for second revision. Yeah, revision time will kept on decreasing, because as we go through one source multiple times, and it is the mantra for pre, nobody can clear it except this philosophy. So one source multiple times, you will get used to it. Habit develops clarity. Habit develops clarity. You need to make yourself habituate with the material. Some follow NCRTs, some coaching notes compilations like Udan, credits to only IS. So you can do that, fix that now. You will not get to change any source. New source basically in the last 1 month. And 60 days for first revision. And let me remind you that this is for veterans. Veterans means at least second attempt, and that too if you have done at least 2 years of prep in your first attempt. That means 3 years into the exam cycle. So I did SFG level 2, level 1 and 2 of Abhyas, and let me tell you, this is not clearly all true, as I did level 1 also plus this test series, that is forum. Now I'll recommend you to diverse your series, diversify the series so that you cannot catch the pattern. As every institute, the paper setter has a specific pattern which your mind can interpret by looking into the questions, but you have to crack the UPSC pattern, and it will develop only from PYQs. So first of all, take a printout of the PYQs of last 10 years at least, preferably in the original font which you can find on the UPSC website. So you can print those papers and try them with a pencil again and again, so you might get used to it. You can also refer to some coaching compilations which can distribute the questions topic wise. Topic wise will be helpful in revisions. As you do one subject, go through its PYQs, first PYQs, then sectional tests. Okay. And CSET, that time I was 2 weeks, so I had done a class also which you all know, very famous, the Amit Garg sir, FLTs of Random Institute. That was a right approach. PT 365 for broad coverage of current affairs. And let me tell you how your perfect day should look like. You should not devote not more than 1.5 hours for current affairs, as static is the king. Yeah, let us chess move king. And essay and case study, that is main stuff, separate video on that later. Anthropology, that is my optional 30-minute, they are too less. Insights, mind maps, monthly magazine. You can also do quarterly compilations which are available nowadays. GSEP notes, that's main stuff. Concept class, main stuff. QEB for keywords. Yeah, this is all GS. Anthropology separate video, as you may have a different optional. Total study shouldn't exceed, that was upper limit I said because at that time there was 13-14 hours average, and I'm not bragging about it. And you shouldn't do this. 8 to 10 is more than enough. Consolidate mains at most till March. Mapping classes, you can do anyone because they can't predict the question, but you can get used to the atlas, and the peripheral knowledge can build a concept like the time zone question in 2025. Yeah, that is the key. You must remember question theme along with year. That has to do with PYQ mastery. I cannot focus enough on that. And time allocation, 2/3 in first revision, because it takes high time to revise the concept you have gone through like last 6 months. You haven't touched them, so they will take some time to grasp. Weak topics you have to identify from test sources. Make an Excel file or like on Sheets, Google Sheets. Daily answer writing, 2 questions, 1 ethics, and optional also. Essay you can write on once a month. Short notes, you can get any course, crash course. PT 365 plus, you can substitute it with the Sarthi one that is popular now, or anyone that has not. MGP essentials, SFG essentials. And random institutes have free mock. Free mocks, try to attempt them offline. If you are near a mega city like Bhopal, Hyderabad, and of course Delhi, they give it free, like Anubhav by Next and Inside Step Up. Some Reddit channel has posted its schedule, so you can follow it to anticipate the test and prepare beforehand. Yes, so that was my progress. You should do weekly progress. I was very late in that. 52 days, I haven't touched the plan. Only sources you have done first. Okay, so signing off. It's Dope UPSC.